Hey y'all, Michelle Davenport here with Simple Living. I have found me a little gem from my friend Pam. And I'm so excited. I'm so excited to clean this up and chalk paint it white to go in my office. That's where I decided to put it. So if you want to see a little makeover with this little, I don't even know what you call it. It's got like a shelf and a couple of shelves and a drawer. So anyway, if you're interested in seeing a little piece whipped together and chalk painted, stay tuned because this is the video for you. Okay. All right. God bless you. And let's get rolling. Found this little gem. Thought I would clean it up some and let's go ahead and chalk paint it. See what we can make of this thing. First of all, you got to clean though. You got to clean up your piece. And then I sanded this off a little bit and then I'll stick it, this piece, so it will take the paint because it's got like a gloss on it. And then I'll paint it white, chip it up some, and figure out where we're gonna put it. Okay, y'all, I'm putting on the slick stick. It's just like a primer before you do your chalk paint. And that's what I'm doing right now. Just putting this all over it. And then I'm gonna let it dry. And then we'll put our white chalk paint. This is a different brand I'll be using just because I had it in my garage already. And you know how I feel about just using what you already have if you can. Without running back and forth to the store 100 times to do one little project. So this was clearly had a little gloss on it, finish, and it had some birds on the drawers right there. I may have to do another coat. Had 2 birds. And I wasn't crazy about the look of them. So I sanded it a little, put the slick stick on it. And there you have it. All right, I'll be back when this dries. I'm just gonna get a light coat all over this. And that's it. Let it dry and then we'll paint it white. And figure out what in the world we're gonna do with it. I just love it though. You don't hang it, you set it somewhere. Here's where the drawer goes. So I'm so excited to see where it goes. Okay, y'all, just painting away my chalk paint on this little cabinet I got from my friend. I've already put the slick stick on, and now I'm chalk painting this little piece. Super excited to see where it ends up in the house. And this will have to dry for a couple of hours. Then I can distress it a little bit. And there you have it. Just like that. Recreating. All right, y'all, thank you for stopping by Simple Living today. I am so glad that you did. And this was just a quick little project that I could do in, probably 30 minutes or less. So a lot easier than that china cabinet. Anyway, I just wanted to show you what you could do with something that you find maybe that's not the right color at a antique place, and show you the power of chalk paint. Oh, I'm just loving it. All right, God bless. And you know what I always say, go out there and be willing to be an answer to someone else's prayer because it will change you. Amen, amen.